Hello everybody, it's Rachel and we're gonna be making pizza today. First, we've got our aluminum foil that we're gonna put down on our stone. Yep, right. And we're gonna get out our pizza crust. Ryan's and Mommy's. You ready for the sauce? You're silly. Ooh, if I can get it open. Cannot get this open. All right, we'll be right back. Now we're back. We got the jar open, courtesy to Daddy. And within that time period, Ryan has since had a bath, and now we're ready to resume. We're going to take our sauce and we're just gonna spread it on our pizza crust. Ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
All right, you spread your sauce. Oh, okay. There. And Mommy will spread her sauce. That's enough. You don't need that much. What? See, you're dripping it. We need to spread it. Okay, that's about enough for me. Are you almost done?
Yeah.
Okay, you need a paper towel?
Yeah.
Okay, you finished spreading yours. Here you go. Okay, shredded cheese, shredded cheese. That's a banana. She's in the other room. All right, there's Mommy's cheese. Reach in. Pepperoni, pepperoni. You don't. Okay. We've got our turkey pepperonis. And you can just put them where you want. Oh, use yours right there. Ryan, I don't need any more pepperoni. Put it on yours.
Okay.
Here, just put a little bit more. Let's rearrange that. And I'm gonna give you your pepperoni back. All right, now we're ready to put it in the, what's it called? Oven.